Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from 2 chicks, 1 dip, and we're going to be creating a very simple mani today by using some great staple colors. And then we're also going to be playing with a little bit of nail art here, which is going to be a really easy way to implement some nail art without color blocking. So that is what we're going to be doing today. So we're starting off with the gel method, and we're starting off with a great color. This is called Blush. It is by far the most elegant pink I have ever seen. It has this milkiness to it, and it has a white base. So overall it's a very just delicate pink, and the name Blush definitely fits it so well, and I really love this color. Now you could either do this color with one coat and it kind of gives you a beach glass effect, but the second coat is definitely the perfect pink. This would be great if you were doing an all over mani, or if you are looking for a great color for wedding season. This is a great color to rock on your wedding day. It's a very beautiful, elegant color. You can see here with one coat, it's not patchy or streaky or anything like that. It's truly a really beautiful pink. So we're going in with another thin layer of gel base here, and we're gonna dip into Blush one more time for a second dip. I will be doing 2 dips of each color today, and when we dip into Blush for the second time here, this is when this color even gets better. It is just the most beautiful, elegant pink ever. You can really see that color payoff here with the difference of the 2 dips versus 1. And then to save time, I did the rest of the dips off camera. We are diving into this really pretty purple. I like this color so much. I think it pairs perfectly with Blush. So we kind of started out with a palette cleansing mani, but yet we're gonna add some pops of color here. And then later on, we are gonna add a little pop of sparkle. But check out this coverage with the first coat. It is everything. So it's almost like a darker blurple, like a blue and a purple together, but it has a slight gray undertone. It's really pretty. It's also a salad. So the 2 colors that we use today, Meditate and Blush, are great staple colors to have. There's just something about these 2 together. They just go so well together. I mean, pinks and purples are a great combination in general. This would be really cute right here to just do these colors alone for Valentine's Day, or even a spring mani, and you could do some conversation heart decals or some heart nail art, or you could do some little flowers to kind of tie in spring. So there's a couple other options for these colors right here, but I think these are just wonderful colors, and if you are looking for some salads, these are definitely some great ones. You can see that color payoff there. When we go in to Meditate for that second dip, it just pulls a little bit darker than that first coat, and it just kind of just gives it more of that blurple effect. But overall, such a gorgeous color, and I really like the color combination paired with Blush. If you couldn't tell already, I'm kind of obsessed with that Blush color. So if you take anything away from today's mani, definitely do not hesitate. If you are placing an order with 2 chicks, 1 dip, definitely add Blush to that order. All right, so now that we have the color on all the nails, we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of nail art. So I already did the filing off camera. I just did my basic filing where I just clean up the sidewalls and just reshape ever so lightly. I do not buff directly on top of the nails. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking some gel base here, and I'm just creating a design on the nail here, and then I'm gonna fill it in, because this is gonna be the area that we are gonna be filling in with that beautiful glitter that we're gonna be diving into called Levitate. So I'm dipping directly into the cupcake glitter on that non-cured gel base, and then once I dip it in the cupcake glitter, I'm just gonna gently press everything down, and then once everything is laying super flat, I'm gonna go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds, and then after it's cured, I'm gonna brush off, and we have this really fun design that we created without any color blocking tape or anything like that, and it was just super easy to kind of tie in a different element to this mani. Also, this glitter looks fantastic on top of Blush. Alright, so now I'm going to create a design on the other nail here. I'm going to do more of a thinner design, because I really want that middle nail to kind of be the centerpiece of the mani, because we're also going to add some other elements to that middle nail to kind of create a galaxy pinky kind of mani. So I just really wanted to keep it simple on this little design here on this nail. So I'm just going to gently press everything down, and then we're going to go ahead and cure and then dust off. And I really love this fine glitter. it is just laying completely flat. Doesn't feel like risen or anything like that on that nail. So everything is laying really flat. All right, so we're just gonna add one more little touch of sparkle to this purple nail here. I felt like I really wanted to see what that glitter looked like on top of this purple, because it's like a micro glitter mixed in with the fine glitter. So I felt like we were gonna get some color shifty goodness. So that's why I really wanted to see what the glitter looked like on the purple nail. Originally, I was just gonna keep the glitter on the pink to kind of just keep that like pink goodness going, but I was very curious on what Levitate looked like on top of Meditate. And it is like a rainbow chameleon effect. I love it so much. You can see it's kind of like a game changer. It looks like we use a totally different glitter on that nail. I love it so much. So whatever you pair with Levitate, it's definitely gonna like just kind of change it up a bit based on those micro glitters in there. All right, so now I applied a gel base to this nail that is not cured, and we're gonna just play with these like little galaxy star shaped little thingy bobbies. I got these off Amazon and I really just wanted to play with them, and I just figured that the nail art that we did today and that glitter and just like this soft palette with the blush would look really awesome, kind of like with a galaxy vibe. So that is what we're doing. I am just applying these with an orange wood stick on top of gel base that is not cured. And then once I'm satisfied with the design and where everything is laying, I'm gonna go ahead and cure for a full 30 seconds. Now, since everything is laying super flat, I did not do another layer of gel base on this nail. What I did is I just sealed it in with a layer of gel top coat and I cured for 60 seconds. I also did a layer of gel base on all the nails and cured for 30 seconds, and then finished up with a layer of gel top coat. And here's the finished mani. I love it so much. It's just like the perfect little galaxy mani, but yet we have the pops of this like that delicate pink, and then we have this really pretty purple. And I love Levitate on top of Meditate. It is just like a total game changer, and it honestly looks like we used a different glitter when we paired it with that Meditate, just because we're getting all that color shifty goodness from those micro glitters. All right, so everything that we did use in today's video can be found in that description box below. If these colors were not your cup of tea, head over to 2 Chicks 1 Dip. You're definitely going to find some colors that you gravitate towards. She has a great color selection over on her website. So I hope you enjoyed this simple mani today, and I'll see you all in the next one.